Today we are going to solve the next question in strings. Today's question is reverse word in a string. What does this mean? Question, let's try to see. See, you have given an input string S. So they are telling given an input string S, reverse the order of words. So see, um, you have given like the sky is blue. They are telling you have given string as reverse the order of words. So it becomes पहले blue. So हमें reverse करना है. So तुम्हारे पास this is the sentence and you need to reverse. So you start with blue, then space, the space, then is, then space, then sky, then space, and the. A word is defined as a sequence of non-space characters. The word in S will be separated by at least one space. So how do we know that this is a word, like word is ended or what? Like if you have one space or more than one space, it means that word is ended. So now you need to return a string in a reverse order and concatenate by a single space. So what, like see, after each word you have one space. Okay, see here also you have one space. Now see, they have given a note. Let's try to read this note that S may contain leading or trailing spaces or multiple spaces between two words. The return string should have single space separating the words. Do not include any extra space. So see, hello world may you have trailing and leading spaces. So we have like removed those spaces and see, I'll just explain you this examples. Okay. See, you have this example, hello world. So we have just removed the spaces, this space and this space. So then what do you get the word has? You get hello world. So now we need to reverse this word. So what we'll do? First we'll print world, you can see. Then it will print hello. Okay. Now see, if you have one or more spaces, suppose if we see this example, it has like, two spaces, 2 to 3 spaces. So first we need to remove the extra space. So it will be, what will be the sentence? Now we'll remove the extra space. It had 3 spaces. Then first it will print example, then a space, then good, then a space, then A. Okay, so let's try to see what's the approach. How do we solve this type of questions? See, first we are making using s equal to s dot trim. Trim means it will remove your leading and trailing spaces. So these spaces will be gone. Then what are we doing? We are making a string array and naming it as words, and we are splitting the string with /s plus. What does this /s plus means? Means that if it has one or more spaces, then we need to split array on that. So when we try to split the array, like if we have this example, the sky is blue. So what does it become? Like words equal to, we are splitting whenever space comes. Space came, then now split. Then sky, then space came, then split. One space B has come, split. Then is, then blue. Hmm. The second one. So you have words equal to, for this hello world. So first you'll remove all the leading and trailing spaces. We are trimming it so it becomes hello world. Now we need to split whenever a space comes. So it becomes hello, then it becomes world, like this. And for the third one, a good example. So there's no leading and trailing spaces. It gets trimmed. Now words equal to first. It comes A, you get a space, then good. Then you have one space, but you have more spaces. So जितने भी spaces है सब remove हो जाएगा and you will get example. So that's what we are doing. Now we have made this string, the sentence, which have many words, that string into a array form, and we are traversing it from last. Okay, so let me explain you about iteration. Okay, so let me take the example as first one because it has two words and this has three words. So you understood the leading and trailing spaces and removing the extra spaces, right? So you get like this array, and now we'll see how will we reverse it. So I'll take the first example. Since it has many words, we will be able to understand it clearly. So the sky is blue. We got in the verse array this. So the array indexing starts from 0, 1, 2, and 3. So we are starting the loop with words dot length minus 1. It means that words dot length is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. For length it takes from 1. So length is 4. So your I will start from where? From 3. Like this is your start pointer. And now see, I should be greater than equal to 0. Like 3 is greater than equal to 0. So in answer vector, we are appending words dot I. We are starting from 3. Your I is 3. So it gets appended and we write blue. Okay. Now, after that it will check. If I is not equal to 0, 3 is not equal to 0. So why now we are adding a space. Now see, if I write this I not equal to 0 before, so it will take a space for space like before. But when a sentence starts, like the first word and last word, first word ka starting and last word ending doesn't have space. So why first we will append the words, then later we will add spaces to it. Okay, now it goes to the for loop here and it takes I minus minus, so your I now it becomes how much? From 3 it cuts and it becomes 2. Okay, so now your I is at is. So 2 is greater than equal to 0? Yes. So it will append the sentence with is. Now it will go to this for loop. If statement is 2 not equal to 0? True. So it will add an space. They told we should add only one space, not more. And remove trailing and all between spaces. So we did all those. Now see, now it becomes I minus minus here. So it becomes 1. Is 1 greater than equal to 0? Yes. And it will append an answer words dot I. I is at 1. So it will give sky. Now 1 not equal to 0, true. And it will add a space. Now again it will go I minus minus, which is now 0. 0 greater than equal to 0, true. So now in answer we are adding the words dot I, words dot 0, which is the, and 0 not equal to 0, this condition becomes false, so we are not adding any space. And now again it goes, it becomes I minus minus, so it becomes minus 1. Minus 1 is greater than equal to 0, no, so the for loop ends. None of the condition is satisfying. Now we are returning our answer, which is blue is sky the. So see, we are using string builder because in string builder we can add our answers strings, but in strings we cannot append. So why we are using and string builder, we are adding our answers. And see, in the function they told we need to return a string, so we are converting this answer to string. So this is how we'll solve the question. Let's try to run the code once by ourselves. So first what are we taking? We are taking first and string builder. String builder answer equal to new string builder. Now we need to trim the leading and trailing spaces. We need to remove. So s equal to s dot trim. Now we need to remove if there's one or more spaces in between the words. So what should we do? We are making a array string of words, and in that now we are trimming the spaces. Like in between the words, if there's one or more spaces, we are removing that. So what we'll do, s dot split in basis of what? In basis of one or more spaces. Now we are starting our for loop from int I equal to words dot length minus 1 we took. I should be greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus. Now in this answer vector, we are answer string builder answer. We are appending words dot I, and now we are checking if I is not equal to 0, then we are adding an space, and after this we are returning our answer in string. Okay, so let's try to run it, and it ran. Let's try to submit, and our code has run. So you can see the code and description, and I'll put it in the link also. Okay, so like this we need to solve everyday DS in our life.